Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious galleta de pan de muerto. It's a very traditional cookie for the dead that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this delicious pan de muerto cookie. These are the ingredients: vanilla paste, granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 room temperature egg, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, bar of unsalted butter. And this is everything we need to make this delicious and very traditional pan de muerto cookie. So let's get started. But first things first, I want to start with the sugar and the pinch of salt. I want to add the melted butter, and of course I'm getting everything from this little plate because we don't waste butter in this home. I am going to mix really good. Once it's nice and incorporated, I'm going to add the vanilla paste. If you don't have vanilla paste, you could use vanilla extract. But the vanilla paste is more potent. The flavor is so penetrate that you're going to love it. I'm adding the egg right now, and I'm going to incorporate really good. This cookie of the dead is delicious. It's a very traditional cookie in Mexico, and we do it for El Día de los Muertos, Halloween. I have here 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour that I'm going to add in here, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 pinch of salt, 1 stick of butter, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. You're going to incorporate it slowly. Incorporate all the dry ingredients, making sure that it's nice and covered and absorbs into the butter. Take your time. Incorporate especially the edges. You want to make sure that you incorporate all the edges in here of all the dry ingredients. And once everything is incorporated, then you could use your hands. Our best tools is our hands. Once you don't see any more of the dry ingredient, we are ready to make a ball, ready to make little tiny balls. I have parchment paper and my baking dish, and I'm trying to make all the cookies in the same size, and I'm going to get about 8 cookies with this mixture. I'm saying 8 because we need to leave behind a little bit so we make the decoration. Look at this. I'm going to start making little really tiny circles for the decoration of the cookie right on the top. This is what takes, a longer time to prepare, making the decoration of the cookies. And here I'm going to start making the little bones. And this is how you do it. You open your fingers and you just roll the little dough out. And I'm going to continue making these little bones. Let me tell you, this cookie, it's so delicious. It's really crispy from the outside, but from the inside, it's really moist, soft, and fluffy. And now I am ready to make the decoration on the top. There's no need to add anything else on top of the decoration, okay? Just remember that once you add your decoration, put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes. While it's in the freezer, you could start getting your oven nice and hot, 350 Fahrenheit. These cookies are going to go in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Every oven is different. But once you see them nice and golden from the top then you are ready to remove. This is really beautiful how you decorate these amazing cookies for the dead. Look at this. And the little circle in the center. And here is how they look. Every single one is different. It looks different, but they're all going to taste the same. Okay, they are ready to go to the fridge, to the freezer for about 10 minutes. Remember, decoration on the top. I have 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, black sugar sprinkles, and a little brush. That's everything I need for the decoration when they come out of the oven. It's a very simple and easy decoration. Anybody could do it. If you have little ones at home, they could come in and help you. Add the sprinkles right on the top. Look at this. Okay, let's wait and see how the cookies of the dead come out. Look how beautiful they came out. Nice and golden brown from the top and from the bottom. Once you take them out of the oven, put them on a cookie rack and then just let them cool down for just a little bit. Look at this. Look how they look from the bottom. Nice and golden brown. Okay, I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to let it rest. And then I am ready to add a little bit of the butter on the top and the sprinkles of the black sugar. Look how easy this is. You add right a little bit right on the top, and then you sprinkle on the top the sugar or the topping that you want to add to it. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to continue with the decoration a little bit at a time. And then I'm just ready to add the sprinkles. I'm going to continue doing the same with the rest of the cookies. And then I'll show you how they look at the end. Look how cute they look. Now I am completely done. I left one by itself so that you could really see the center. Look how fluffy and delicious the center looks. If you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this amazing cookie, please leave me a thumbs up and share this video on social media. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and traditional Pan de Muerto cookies. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipe. Of course, I added a little bit of black sprinkle right on the top. Look how delicious this is. Nice and crispy from the inside. It's really moist and fluffy. Excuse me. When you bake with love, everything comes out amazing. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing Pan de Muerto cookie made at home with lots of love. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. If you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.